So the precautions for diabetes is actually who should take the precaution. Number one, those who have got a family history of diabetes, they should be very particular right from childhood about their weight, their diet, and their physical activity. Those who are obese, they should be very particular about the diabetes because they should go for blood sugar examination every 6 months, the physical activity and the dietary management for obesity. They should keep the weight under control and BMI should not be more than 22, 23. This is the average Indian BMI of the persons in India. And the third thing is that the lifestyle management is the first and foremost thing for every diabetic patient or otherwise every person after the age of 45. They should have regular activity, they should avoid the sedentary habits, and the diet should not be more than 2000 calories, and they should keep their life unstressful as far as possible and regularity in the daily activity.